So much flavour. So we're doing a Chinese roast chicken with coconut sticky rice. We've blanched it in hot water and it's just been marinating for the last 24 hours. The oven's lit to 180 degrees and we're going to sit it on top of a rack. I'm just going to sit this chicken on a rack. Here's a piece of onion from something I made earlier and some chilli. So I'm just going to wrap a little bit more of that marinade over. And during the cooking, I'm going to add more of this marinade over the top of the chicken. It's chicken in the oven then. Now for the coconut rice, we're using a California cow rose, or otherwise a medium grain. So all I've done with this is just been washed, soaked, and then rinsed. I like to soak my rice so it just keeps them nice and loose. Now this is going to be a sort of sticky rice. Bay leaf, water, coconut milk, and then a bit of spring onion. Spring onion's just going to go into the rice. We're going to add some seasonings, a little bit of salt. We're going to add a small amount of butter. Now all the recipes will be on the website, www.familykitchenwithmark.co.nz. I'll leave a link in the description. So it's going to take 20 minutes to cook. So normally rice, you'd cook it for 15 minutes. We're going to cook this rice for 20 minutes. So nice, I've got a good old rice cooker. Life is easy cooking rice in a rice cooker. I wouldn't use anything else, honestly. Press a button. And cooking rice couldn't be easier. Now remember, this did have raw chicken in this marinade, so we're doing this well in advance of the chicken actually being cooked. We wouldn't put this over a cooked chicken. We'll do this twice. I'll save half of it. Okay, so it hasn't been 1 hour, it's only really been 40 minutes. So as you boiled the chicken right at the beginning, they would have shrunk the skin around the meat. So you really don't want to pierce that because that's keeping all the flavour in the meat. So I'm now going to turn the chicken around in the oven. So the chicken's now out of the oven and it's been out of the oven. We're going to rest it for 15 to 20 minutes and it's beautifully cooked. If you're worried about the colours being too dark for you, you can always lower the temperature by 10 degrees, but oh my goodness, believe you me, that's going to be so delicious. Aromatic. So that mango is going to go in there now. This looks magic. Okay, right, we'll take a couple of pieces, we'll take the wings off. How good are they going to be? And we'll slice some of this breast. And just see how it tastes. Oh, so tender as well, so much flavour. Okay, so we're just going to have that, we'll save the rest. Really tender. Okay, so let's go with this coconut rice. Now we've got a delicious bok choy. The bok choy has been finished with ginger, garlic, chilli, soy sauce, and various other ingredients. I'll leave a recipe in the website. Now we're going to go with our chicken. Wow, so tender. A nice chopstick over. Made a beautiful spiced mango chutney. A video will be coming up soon and there'll be a recipe on the website. So this is a spiced mango chutney. It's just going to go nice. It's got a lot of Asian flavours in there as well. Scatter some chives over the top of the whole thing. And so let's have a taste of this one. Ooh, have a bit of the rice and a bit of the chutney. Wow, what a combo. Yeah. So the flavours that you get from that dish, my goodness, you could marinate the chicken for maybe 1 more day, give it 2 more days, but the flavours and the combination just go perfectly. That bok choy just goes really nicely just to even off and balance off the flavours. Unbelievable. Wow, I can't wait to eat it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, then press the red subscribe button, and that means you're not going to miss any future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.